Happy Saturday. See, look, those who know me well, they know that my tummy is not like this last year. Now, because of my shake and massager, look, I'm not controlling my breath. Look, because of this. All right, so I will use my shake and massager while waiting to my next appointment, my next guest. You know what, guys? They are just coming here to try all my machines. I have my P90, I have my shake and massager, I have my eye massager, you know. So they are just coming to try the machine. So I'm not selling them. Okay? I'm not selling you as well. Okay, so I will just let them to use the machine, and then I will let my machine sell itself. And then turn it around. I'm telling you guys, it works. And then turn it on. There you go. You can hear, see? It will burn the stubborn belly, or I mean those cholesterol fats. I'm not a doctor, okay? But this is based on my testimony, personal testimony. Look at that. This is not like this. Last year, I started using this since when I got back from Xiamen, China and Singapore. Alright, so, and this takes 20 minutes. And then after this 20 minutes, as long as my guest is not here yet, I will turn it around and put another 20 minutes here. Because when you turn it on, it takes per session for this is 20 minutes. And then I will do it again on the other side, at the back, another 20 minutes. I already used my my therapy 90 plus earlier. I put my feet, step on the machine, and then in that way, with this, I burn more or less 9 to 1,000 calories. But I didn't went to the gym. I just use all my amazing machine. All right. Cheers, guys. Thank you and have a nice weekend.